Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. Today I am going to talk about Amazon rainforest. We all know what a rainforest is. A rainforest is a forest which has more trees and will rain frequently. And in that rainforest there are many types. For example, there are types called mangrove rainforest, another normal rainforest, classic rainforest and more. But here there are the largest rainforests in the world. Do you know what is the largest rainforest in the world? Well, it's the Amazon rainforest because it covers about 2.8% of the earth. Except that most of the rainforests cover only 1% or half percent of the land of the earth. We all know that plants are lungs of the earth, but actually it's not. Amazon is the lungs of the earth. Do you know why? Because in Amazon rainforest there are more about 2 billion types of flowers and trees and plants. So in that they produce 8% of the oxygen. And Amazon rainforest belongs to 9 countries, and we could list them out with our 9 fingers. And most of the Amazon lies in the part of Brazil, which means 68% of the Amazon lies in Brazil. So the Brazil government used it for commercial purpose for loggers and lot. So do you know that if Amazon rainforest was a country, it would be the 5th largest country in the world. And here I'm coming for Amazon rainforest river. We all know that Amazon rainforest has a river. But some people know that the river has many things inside it. In that the most important thing is the Amazon river is the largest. Now you get a doubt in your mind. Hey, wait, he is saying that Amazon river is the largest. But when I search in Google, it says that Nile river is the largest. Yeah, you think that I am lying or Google is lying, you will get the confusion. But actually Nile river is longer by its length. But Amazon river is bigger and longer by its volume. Do you know what a volume means? We don't like in the sound blaster, more volume, not that. Volume is a unit of measurement for sound and water. So, this is the Amazon rainforest. Inside there are many types of animals and plants. In that we all know that there are many types of animals and plants. But there are also other people. You know that people means humans. So, you think that okay, some people scammed in the Amazon rainforest, but actually not. Actually, the indigenous tribes. Do you know what is a tribe means? Okay, well, you don't know. Now, I am going to say about tribes. You know what is a tribe? So, a tribe is also a human, but not in full evolved human. See, we are so much evolved. We have a lot of evolution. We have a lot of technology. Even for example, now the video which I am taking is also from a OnePlus phone. But there are no phones, no TVs, and no refrigerator, nothing. And do you know that they won't even brush their teeth? Now let's come to the topic of tribes. Tribes, they are the person which I already said are non-evolutionary form of humans. So those tribes wear traditional dresses and they don't have a lot of technology like phones, TVs, refrigerators, ACs. And do you think what? How will they be cool in a hot summer day? They build their houses with mud, which keeps cool in summer and hot in winter. So these tribes are so important for our evolution. Most of you will went to the zoo at least once in your life. In that you might have noticed many monkeys there. So the evolution of monkeys turned into humans. We all know that monkeys are turned into humans, but actually monkeys didn't turn into humans. You're being asked why? Just now you said monkeys turned into humans, but it's not true. Actually, apes turned into humans. You know what is an ape? Most of the people knows about chimpanzees and gorillas. They are tailless and large monkeys. In that, ape is also a thing. So we are apes family. And Here, there are many things about Amazon rainforest, and the most important thing about is the river. Like I already said in the river, now let's see the organisms in the river. You know that most of the plants found in the river are used for medicinal purposes because they take many nutrients from water, vitamins, and store them and make it into a component. So in that, this component is used for medicinal purposes. Maybe it could be used as so much big medicine for biggest cancers, or maybe it could be poison for the healthiest person and more. In that, do you know that there's no bridge in the Amazon river? Do you know why? Because the climatic changes in the Amazon. So in the Amazon, don't think that Amazon shopping company. I'm talking about the rainforest. In the Amazon rainforest, there are a big river, as I already said. There's no bridge in it. So because we can't build bridges in climatic changes. For example, the volume of the water changes from high to low many of the times. So in this case, we can't build the bridges, and many people fall from bridges in the river and are being eaten by anacondas. You know that piranhas are there in the river, because we are not talking about the term piranha because it's different from our chapter, but still we talk about the animal because many people like about animal, including me. I'm talking about animals. The river animal called piranha is a monstrous fish which eats flesh of animals and humans. So the piranhas are ferocious animals. Do you think that when we jump into the pool of piranhas and come back, what will remain in our body? Actually, we all think that bones, but no. If we jump into the pool with no scratch, no blood, we'll be safe. But if we jump with a blood or a rash, will be bones in the piranhas. So I would like to conclude my speech with a fun fact. The fun fact is most plants found in Amazon rainforest is not found anywhere in the world. Thank you.